Sophatsa here from Lasikarat. Welcome to another video. Today we're doing part 2 of the foods we eat. Vegetable edition. Yay! So, there are not that many vegetables that we describe in Setswana. I know that, if you go to other countries and in other cultures, there's so many vegetables. Like you go to Chinese culture, you see the bok choys and all these different vegetables. In Botswana, there are some native veggies, but the ones that I'm going to be describing are the plamo that are just part of normal Western culture, usual Western culture, the ones that I eat here, even in Australia. And so, welcome to this journey where we explore all the different vegetable names. So vegetables as a collectives are called merogo. Merogo. So morogo is leafy greens. So like spinach, which is spinach. Spinach is like leafy greens or merogo. So the lettuces and those kind of leafy vegetables, you can say merogo. But collectively, vegetables are also called merogo. So you would start with, some of them are very similar to English, just like the the fruit video. So just rock with me, getting a collection of veggies, merogo. So the first one is tapole. Tapole is potato. Tapole. And then sweet potato is potata. That is a sweet potato. And then onions, one is onion. Beetroot, bitiruti. That's beetroot. Corn, midi. Corn. Carrots, dihwete. Carrots. Beans or peas, dinawa. Beans or peas. Liputi is pumpkin, butternut, that family. Liputi. And then cabbage is cabbage. Tamati is tomato. Chilisi is chili. Chili. So those are the common vegetables that I would have in my fridge or on my kitchen counter. There are some that I'm still looking up, like the mushrooms and the celery. I think celery is celery, but I'm still confirming that. And a few other ones. But yeah, those ones are the ones that I researched, and you have those ones. So you might eat these vegetables raw, like you might have carrot sticks raw, but you might also cook some. So to cook, the verb to cook is apaya. So you might say, I like pumpkin. Gerata liputi. And then you might say, I like to cook corn. Gerata ho apaya midi. I like to cook corn. Gerata ho apaya midi. And you can use all the other words that you have now added to your vocabulary. Hope you learned something. Please like, subscribe, and share our videos widely to help us grow our channel. Until next time,